2021 Nissan Kicks. This is where the cabin filter is going to be located. Your first step is going to be to remove this panel you have right here. It's just clipped on. Just grab it from underneath, pull it towards you, and it will unclip. Move it off to the side. Okay, so the filter element is located right in this box right here. This is the door that acts as that. There's a little button here. Push this guy up and it unclips the front door. And you'll just pull the whole door down. Out of the way, the filter, as you can see, is in here, and they are crammed in there. So they're kind of hard to get out and they're kind of hard to put in. Just kind of have to work them out. This one's super clean, so I'm not going to pull it all the way because they are pretty hard to put back in. But you kind of get the idea. You get your new one, slide it in there, and replace the door. If you need one, there'll be a link in the description box below.